what do we have? It's a slime kit. What? What is that? All those purple, blue, lemon, yellow, green. What is that? Some little something. Everything is so shiny. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. You got the pink one. Let's open it. Whoa, the blue octopus. Glitter. And these
I think we're supposed to put them on our slime.
we have to open them right away.
Yes, we need to open them.
Whoa, those shiny colors. Look at that.
There's more.
And another one. They are watery. Touch them. Ew. Are they yucky? No.
And why is there water?
Dump them. I don't know. I don't know why there's water. Weird. What's going on? Blue slime. Okay, shake it out. Wow, it is so slimy. Let's get it out. It looks like Jello, but is it squishy? What's wrong with it? It's so hard.
This used to be like that.
Maybe it's broken. No?
Slime is
It's not, but it's not slime. It's like a Jello piece. Oh, Kaidi's is slimy, Lou.
Don't squeeze.
So sticky. Let's open another one. Another one is also yucky. That is so weird. Can we?
Get this out.
You got another blue? Let's get it out. Oh, this one is fine. Look at that. This one is slimy. Look at that.
Let's try another one. Can it be?
Maybe blue ones are fine. See? It's kind of fun to squish them, but that's not what I expected.
It's okay.
Is it still fine?
Yeah, I'm still
Let's
fine.
try the purple one.
Come on. Wait, let's say she's shaking.
What if we throw it? What is that?
This is funny. No, what are these? This slime.
Yeah, I made a hole inside. Oh, it got attached to Kairi. This one is the best one because it's kind of slimy. That's how it should be. Uh-oh. The kit didn't work. Kairi made the mixture.
Oh, we have so
So slimy. And look at that. It's, oh, yeah, I'm not allowed to touch.
Come on, slime.
So you're not upset that it's a bad slime?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah.
We're stuck together.
Oh, your hands are stuck together. That's so weird. Do it again, Kairi.
What is this?
I don't know. It's weird slime.
What is this slime?
Well, we won't get that one anymore.
But this is too fun.
Too fun?
Yes.
Boom. That looks like.
It's in my phone.
Oh, I think it's warming up and becoming a bit more playful, right? It's super fun.
Yes.
Well, I'm happy you're enjoying it.
This is like so weird.
Super weird. I don't want to touch them. They're so yucky. Look at that.
Ugh.